Hello and welcome to day 3. We had our breakfast. We are all set to now check out and leave for Interlaken. So बार बार शूट नहीं करूँगी, अब बैग है हाथ में. So let me give you a quick gist. मैटन ऑफ में है हम जाएंगे ल्यूजर्न एंड ल्यूजर्न से every hour का 6th and 55th minute there is a direct train to Interlaken. So that's what we are going to do. So example 9:06 या 9:55 को ट्रेन है, उसके बाद डायरेक्टली 10:06 10:55. So that's the frequency at which we have trains. So we are quickly heading to Luzon and वहाँ से ही ट्रेन लेंगे. So I'll keep you updated. Hello, हमारे नसीब बड़े अमेजिंग थे. So हमारा ट्रेन का प्लेटफॉर्म 13 पर लकीली प्लेटफॉर्म 12 पे ही ट्रेन रुकी हुई थी and we directly got it. But one tip, if you are traveling with your luggage, always board section C of the train so that you get place to keep your luggage. So it's great. We are finally headed to Interlaken and now some 3 amazing days await for us in terms of adventure and a lot of things. So enjoy the train ride and before that let me see. ऐसे सामान रखा हुआ होता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? And you also have some overhead space here. Say hi to her. So yeah, that's that. Bags have a better view. So on that note, there is a lake that comes to the right. So if you're traveling from Luzon to Interlaken, sit on the right side of the train. Okay, so engine मेरे सामने है, so I'm on the right side. Gives you better views, amazing mountains. Left में starting में आता है, but then it comes to the right. That's a tip. That we are picking this height in the train. Look at that. काफ़ी हाइट पे आ चुके हैं. वो लेक देखो हम कितने ऊपर आ गए. That I showed you guys a few minutes back. Crazy, no? Look at that color. And there we go. Entry point. पानी रहती ना क्या? So that is the scenic journey and we are going to get down at Interlaken pretty soon. If the journey is like this, I don't know how this place is going to be like. So, yes, once we get down, we are going to head to a hotel and I'm going to share more details once I'm there. the views. ये हम आ गए इंटरलेकन की गलियों में. Okay, so that was the station. There's mountains everywhere. So now we are headed to the hotel. तो हम ये ट्रेन भी लेने वाले, but look at the tracks. How insane is that? है ना? कितना बड़ा पहाड़ है. Look at, oh shit. Yeah, so look at these balconies. So cute. ये देखो इंटरलेकन की सड़कें and the beautiful restaurants. है ना मज़ेदार. ये है मज़ेदार सी चीज़. So we have finally made it to our hotel, and this was earlier kind of a castle. See, 1491 से है, and it's now a hotel full-fledged. This is our stay for the night, and I'm so excited. इसकी entry आगे की तरफ से, but look how beautiful. Wow, everything is so aesthetic. I don't know, वो देखो वहाँ पे इंसान पैराग्लाइडिंग कर रहा है बड़ी मज़े से. That's Dad entering the space. Once you enter this place, this is the reception area. This is the sitting area. Look at the details here. यहाँ पे सारे adventure sports हैं. Okay. Hey there. Look at this. क्या pretty है ये. Wow. So these are how the hotel entire interiors are. So beautiful, man. So हम निकल चुके हैं घूमने. We are going to a cave. So we are again taking a train from Interlaken station, and yeah, caves पे जाएंगे. और वो जो ट्रेन दिखाई थी ना वहाँ पे भी जाएंगे. तो आज की itinerary is simple, so that yeah, you're not too burnt out. See? See, everyone drinks tap water here. Legit everyone. सब लोग जैसे ही फाउंटेन या नल दिखे पानी भरने लगते हैं. This is the bus number 21, and we are ready to get in here. Of course, mannerism comes first. पहले लोग उतरेंगे, उसके बाद चढ़ेंगे. Have a look. Go inside. हम पहली सीट पे बैठेंगे. Why not? Hi mom.
Hi beta. Hi.
Chola first.
Like, share and subscribe. Shiva News for more content and for the beautiful mom. जो ने मस्त है.
Look at that train.
કાલે સવારે વહેલા ઉઠીએ તો આપણે જરા આવીએ આટો મારવા. એ ઘોડા ગાડી
Right on. Okay, so we are coming to the stop, which is Beatus Caves. Okay, we're getting down the bus, and look. Wow.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158
So we are at Saint Beatus Caves. You have to buy the ticket. This is the entrance. One thing to notice that you don't get any Swiss pass benefits. So पूरा वैसा भरना पड़ेगा. And yeah, you can buy these tickets online as well. अच्छा. We start walking up. And look at the blue lake. Wow. And ये रहा वो waterfall. वहाँ तक जाना है. Let's go. कुछ ऐसी है ये ट्रेल. So if you're coming with your parents, heads up दे देना क्योंकि हमने नहीं दिया था. मेरी मम्मी तो शॉक हो गई कि अरे इतना ज़्यादा है. वैसे तो they can walk, इतना इश्यू नहीं है. But it is hot, like it's summer here, right? So it is hot. And the slope feels overwhelming. But I'm going to keep showing you this blue little beautiful lake. यहाँ पे है म्यूजियम. Okay. Little view check. Let's go. So I first showed you guys नीचे से, but now we are at that level. See? That's hiking life. After hiking the whole thing, we have made it here. Look at it. We hiked that entire zigzag path. This is what it looks like. Like this castle. Wow. This feels like peace. After you reach here, you enter the place. Okay. And then they have this little cafeteria. And then you enter the cave area. So once we come in here, just look at that water. Now it finally feels a little pleasing. See? Wow. So here is the entry of the cave. Mandatory slip. ये लोग क्या स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं ना. Let's go. ये देखो पूरा केव. See, now it's time. So okay, so after they do it, how do I go?
अरे देखो मारने.
Oh, sorry. You push it and then you come inside. Look at this. Wow. After Balaam Caves, this is my another cave exploration. So super excited about that. Look at the water. इतना पानी है यहाँ पे. Wow. Water body. Oh, here's the water body. This is massive. Salt water around. Do you hear? That's all water. Regularly. Look at that. this plantation in there. They call it spaghetti ground. The height of the cave. So, look at this. This is all created because of the dripping water deep down. I don't know why my gimbal is acting up. मैं पहली बार use कर रही हूँ, but this is what I'm trying to show. See? मेरी कॉर्ड सीढ़ी काफ़ी चलने को है, but it is worth it. Worth it. In short, कैसे भी देश में घूमने जाओ, physical agility is so important. So you could actually walk around and experience things. Now look at this. There's literally a whole long wall. This water. It's so cold but so clean. Look at that. Look at that. My god, I don't know how much even to capture at this point. Seriously. Look at this. Yes. I know. Rocks and plants over there. Crazy. Look at that reflection. It's like the same चीज़ है, but it's a reflection. So the more you bend, the more reflection you see. Yeah. Very pretty. Yes. Everyone puts in the coins here. Look at that. So this is a mighty fall. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's it. We are at the end of this developed section of the cave, and this is insane. We are like 926 meters inside the mountain, and we have climbed approximately 87 meters. Crazy. It's time to descend and go back, and I'm going to tell you a lot more things about this place. Look at this. I don't know if this is not fun. What else is? These are the kind of steps. Oh, sorry. You might have to take them. So make sure you are wearing good shoes and not chappals. Like that. Yes. These patterns. ये वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको वुड प्लाई नहीं है. It is actually created from these nature's wonders. ये देखो you know the temperature difference when this is how your specs look. It was so freaking cold inside and now it's like all hot and humid, but we are at the exit, so it's time to go out. So look at this dharma and we are at the exit of the cave. Whoa, what an experience, guys. What a freaking good. Please come here, okay? It's not just for nerds, it's a different adrenaline rush altogether. Wow, like the world of stalactites and stalagmites. I'm blown away. Like, I think I'm gonna fall in love with these cave exploring kind of a thing now. इस साल में मैं already ऐसे 2 explorations कर चुकी हूँ. We are officially out. And what a beautiful thing. By the way, a few things to note once again. Full sleeve पहनो, बाहर गर्मी लगेगी, but then अंदर बहुत ठंडी लगेगी. It is very 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 cold thanks to the caves and the entire setup. आ गई मैं रोशनी में. Thanks to the cave and the entire setup. So ये मेरा गिम्बल एक्सप्लोर करते हैं तो ना पागल हो जाओगी. पता नहीं क्या ही हरकतें हो रही है. Anyways, so wear full sleeves. Even if not full sleeves, be prepared कि ठंडा लगेगा. Number 2 is wear shoes, good grip shoes, because वो पानी ड्रिप होने की वजह से ना सब कुछ wet है. So you might need a good grip when you're walking so much. And वो ढलान है, वो videos में दिखता नहीं है, but ढलान है. You are actually like walking up into the mountain, even if the inclination gets there धीरे धीरे धीरे. That's one other thing. And अगर आपके इस दिन में और itinerary हो, like if you have other places to cover, इसको ऐसे sunny time में कर लो, because अंदर ही रहोगे तो it's already cold, you know. बाहर भले ही गर्मी की ना हो. देख लो, वापस आ गई मैं इस व्यू के पास. How beautiful. So we are actually getting on a descent. See, यही route है, बस हम दूसरे साइड से उतरना स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. Going to descend and go to the hotel. हमारा चेकिंग बचा है, हमने बस बैग्स रखी है and we need to check into our hotel. So let's get to that. Look at the inclination. ये देखो सामान ले जाने वाली ट्रॉली है, तथा केबल कार. वहाँ पे मस्त उस फाउंटेन में अपना मुंह धोया, मज़ा आ गया. अभी वापस भागते हैं बिकॉज नेक्स्ट 10 मिनट्स में हमारी बस आ रही है वापस. सो दिस इज़ लेक TUHN, तन. Okay, this is Lake Tan and super pretty, right?
Good rest.
So we entered the room. This is the seating area. They placed our bags already because check-in time के वक्त हम बाहर थे. But look at the washroom. So they have a full-fledged shower area. There's the basin area. But look at this. Wow. This is amazing. Once you enter here, oh my god, this is so sweet. Dear family, Oza, enjoy your visit to Interlaken. Thank you so much. And they have chocolates and wine for us, which is insane level of hospitality. Me and my dad had been discussing about this wine. Look at this coffee. This is such a fancy coffee maker. Wow, this is I think one of the first hotels where they have a full-fledged coffee maker in place, which is wow. But the biggest surprise is this balcony. It's this balcony. ये देखो हमारा खुद का balcony in Dam Interlaken. Look at this. ये हमारा खुद का balcony है. ये हमारा space है. Wow, guys, you need to come here. Everyone's chilling around. I am so damn grateful. क्या प्यारी balcony है यार. देखो सारे mountains. Wow, wow, wow. My favorite place ever. So we made our chai. We have our nashta, chai. And this is our room's balcony's view as you saw. ये देखो paragliders from our balcony. So we are at this place called Folk Joint. So if you are here, you can definitely drop by. They have different cuisines and a very vast and decent menu जो हम Indians के लिए goes well. Pizza भी है, wraps भी है, सब कुछ है. And it overlooks this beautiful view. And इसका नाम ये भी है Des Alpes Interlaken. So काफ़ी बढ़िया outside seating है. You can plan coming here. I'll give you some recos. So this is the one. Okay, let's spot the train. Where did it go? Oh no, there's the train. So we are here, we are going to Harder Klump. It's the top of Interlaken. We have a train to take. But ये देखो क्यों, हमने तो already booking करी है. So we are trying to figure out कि ये line ये क्यों है. So this is a weird thing. Despite of getting the ticket, despite of booking the train time, that is 7:40 का हमारा train था, you still have to queue up, which is very weird, which is very off. But maybe that's how things work here. कितना बड़ा क्यू है ये, पता नहीं कब पहुँचेंगे हम ऊपर. So ट्रेन आ रही है यहाँ से. So they closed this whole thing up. Now let's. And with that, they now open the gate. So cool, right? This is how crowded the train is. Imagine, look at this, how mud. But I'm gonna show you what it is like going up this train. ये उतर गए हम ट्रेन से. And there are a lot of tourists up here today, ऐसा उनका कहना है. पर देख सर हम सबको नीचे लेके आएंगे क्योंकि ये लास्ट रिटर्न वाली ट्रेन 9:40 को है पहले. So let's rush. Sunset is in 10 minutes. As always, we are chasing the sunset. So let's run. Run for the sunset. And look at this. Isn't that the prettiest thing ever? Oh my god. This is such a beautiful mountain sunset. Look at this colors. I'm going to run to my house. Get on the head. सब छोड़ दिया हमको पीछे. Squeezing in places. It's so beautiful. So this is Hardak Kalm, 1323 meters up the top of Interlaken, and this is what it is like. Wow, this is the entire watch gallery. ये हमारा sunset. यहाँ पे it's the restaurant, and that's that. I'll leave you here. Now I'll enjoy the views, and yep, that's that. ये देखो, ये हमारे पड़ोसी देश. Look at this. So after waiting for 1.5 hours, this is how we are heading in pitch dark train. Look at this. There's no light. That's the city. Guys, it is 10:40 p.m. So there was a queue of 1.5 hour ऊपर to come down, because जाने के लिए क्यों था, वो सबको रिटर्न भी आना था. लास्ट ट्रेन वॉज एट 9:40. जो 9:40 ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे लोग थे, so they had to take multiple trips. So ऊपर जाने का ट्रेन को 10 मिनट लगता है, नीचे उतरने 10 मिनट लगता है. So every train would only come after like 20-25 minutes. So we were standing for like such a long queue. I did not film that queue because it was dark, but that's that. So yeah, we came back, and now me and my brother want to eat some McDonald's. So we are again at a bus stop trying to go to McDonald's, take a parcel and come back. McDonald's खाने बस में चढ़ गए हम लोग, and now I'm trying to match up my brother's walking speed, which is next to impossible. Oh yes, we have a bus. Oh, is it? એના પછી ક્યારે છે? Oh shit, back. Run for the bus. We cannot miss the bus, वरना उसके बाद 1 घंटे के बाद